Hello everyone. Today's Math Olympiad challenge looks intimidating, but there's a simple trick hidden inside it. The question says 20 raised to the power of x plus 20 raised to the power of x plus 20 raised to the power of x divided by 10 raised to the power of x plus 10 raised to the power of x plus 10 raised to the power of x equals 100. And the task before us says find the value of x. The first thing is, let's look carefully at the numerator. It contains the same term 3 times, that is 20 raised to the power of x 3 times. Instead of us writing it 3 times, let's factor it. So our solution, 20 raised to the power of x plus 20 raised to the power of x plus 20 raised to the power of x equals 3 times 20 raised to the power of x. So this is our numerator. Let's simplify the denominator by doing what we did to the numerator. Our denominator says 10 raised to the power of x plus 10 raised to the power of x plus 10 raised to the power of x, which is equal to 3 times 10 raised to the power of x. Now our equation becomes 3 times 20 raised to the power of x divided by 3 times 10 raised to the power of x equals 100. Both the numerator and the denominator contains a factor of 3. So let's cancel them completely. 3 cancel 3. So our equation becomes 20 raised to the power of x divided by 10 raised to the power of x equals 100. The equation is now much simpler for us to solve. Let's recall an important exponent law which says a raised to the power of m divided by b raised to the power of m will give us a divided by p raised to the power of m. Now let's apply it here. 20 raised to the power of x divided by 10 raised to the power of x equals 20 divided by 10 to the power of x. So our equation becomes 20 divided by 10 to the power of x equals 100. Since 20 divided by 10 equals 2, so 2 raised to the power of x equals 100. The next thing is, let's solve for x. Note that 100 is not an exact power of 2. So we are going to be using logarithms. Let's take the logarithms of both sides, which gives us log 2 raised to the power of x equals log 100. Let's bring the exponent down, which becomes x log 2 equals log 100. Since log 100 equals 2, so we have it as x equals 2 divided by log 2. Log 2 equals 0.30103. So we obtain 2 divided by log 2, which will give us 2 divided by 0.30103, which is equal to 6.644. So our x equals 6.644. Now let's verify if x equals 6.644 will truly work for this equation. Let's verify. Let's check if x equals 6.644. Then 2 raised to the power of x equals 100, which satisfies 20 raised to the power of x divided by 10 raised to the power of x equals 100. Therefore, the equation is correct. Our final answer now is x equals log 100 base 2, which is equal to 6.644. Thank you for watching.